I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's pretty loud. It's only gonna get